have now completed this reclaimed wood Irish Bouzouki, so I'm doing a little video, let you ones that were interested know about it. It's all back to front because the tablet it's hard to film it the right way round, turns everything round, so it's a right hand instrument. It's all reclaimed wood mostly. This is pitch pine, which came out of Lady Dixon Park Gate Lodge in Belfast, the north of Ireland or Northern Ireland, depending on your political persuasion. And the back and sides are reclaimed mahogany from an old college in Belfast called Campbell College. There used to be science lab benches. The neck is mahogany, repurposed. It's not been used as anything else. It was mahogany that I bought from somebody who had too much of it. The fretboard is Shisham, or some people call it East Indian rosewood, and that was a china cabinet from an old Belfast woman, and so was the headstock veneer. The tuning pegs are Ashbury tuners. Obviously they're not reclaimed, they're good quality tuners for Irish Bouzouki's and mandolins. The tailpiece is handmade by myself out of brass plate. All the bracing is good quality spruce bracing wood from Romania. I like these. If you haven't heard of anything made out of pitch pine, then I've made quite a few of these. I like the patterning on it. The sound is reasonably good, and it's nice to have something that's all made out of reclaimed wood. The bindings are maple that I made myself as well, and it sounds like this. I'm not a Bouzouki player, as you can tell, so I play my one and only test piece. To give you a sort of idea of the sound, obviously they're not great through the tablet pickup, but that's the reclaimed wood Irish Bouzouki. Haven't put the label in. I always forget to put the label in before I string it up, which is annoying, but this is, I believe, Bouzouki number 18. So there you go. Thank you for watching. How do we turn you off?